Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to an episode of Pattay's Performance. Today in the driver we have a Toro Timemaster that has a blown head gasket. So I just want to show you guys how I know it has a blown head gasket and some of the things that you could tell if your head gasket is blown too. Number one, lack of power than what it used to have. If you have a lack of power and the blown head gasket, you are losing compression. Less compression, less power. These motors are notorious for blown head gaskets. Number two is you are going to hear that when I go to start the machine and when it runs, like a little, God, I don't want to be that customer, you know, when they make the goofy sounds, like you're going to hear like a pop, 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 pop sound from the motor, and even when starting it. And then we'll go to the final one. Well, there's a few more, but you hear that? You hear that putt? Can you guys hear that putting? Let's see. Can we put the microphone there? See if it'll pick up the putting. I don't know if you could hear the putting, if the microphone is picking it up. So we're going to walk away and let the machine run for a little bit. So the reason why I'm letting the machine run for a little bit is two things. While the machine is running, there's going to be oil from the crankcase that's going to pass through. Compression is going to be leaking into the crankcase. And what's going to happen is now, when this machine runs for a while, we're going to pull the dipstick. And when we pull the dipstick, if we see smoke coming out of the dipstick, we know that there is pressure getting back into the crankcase and it has to go somewhere. All right, let's see if this is long enough to see any smoke come out. I'm gonna get you guys closer to check out this dipstick. All right, so let's see if the motor's been running long enough. We're gonna pull out the dipstick. See how long the motor's, wow. We are going to shut the mower down. It's been running for a couple of minutes. We're gonna see if there's enough to see if there's any smoke coming out of the dipstick. Look at that. Look at that. It's smoky. I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but it's smoky. So that's number two. Oh, a couple other ones. Now, another symptom is you're burning oil. You have no leaks, and you're running the machine. You go to check your oil every week like you should, or if you're a landscaper, every day like you should, or maybe in between mows like you should. You notice your oil is low and it's not going anywhere. It's being burnt off inside the cylinder. Now, if you are using a lot of oil, you will have smoke being emitted from the exhaust. All the Timemasters I have worked on, I have never seen smoke coming out of the exhaust or burning oil in that fashion. Alright guys, that's going to be a wrap. Just a quick little video. I do have a very successful and thorough video on how to replace your Timemaster head gasket. Links will be somewhere here, there, or at the end of the video to replace your head gasket. And I have a full library on how to fix numerous issues that I have come across on my Timemaster as well as others. Alright guys, Drop your thoughts and comments down below. Smash the like button, smash that subscribe button. Guess what? I'll see you guys on the next episode of Pattay's Performance. Later.